What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request from Emmanuel on Patreon. Hange from Attack on Titan before she got her eye patch, right? So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with the eye. Center point of my page is about here. They're about on sort of halfway, maybe a little bit higher than halfway. And we just start with the right eye. So let's curve a line. Like so. Okay, and you want to thicken this up a little bit. You want it to be a good heavy dark line, right? And at the end we're going to add eyelash. Okay, and maybe like a line coming off the front here. And then we'll do eyelashes on top. And then the bottom eyelid will come down like a spike sort of here. And then it gets kind of thinner and it comes across around like so. Then our iris inside, just like a dark circle coming down from the top eyelid. And a pupil in the middle. Just a circle like that. And then sometimes in Attack on Titan, early Attack on Titan, they do like lines in the iris. And she actually has some eyelashes coming out from the bottom of her eye as well. Right. See a little bit of her eyelid line just there, maybe down there. She's got glasses, so it kind of blocks it. We go over and do the other eye. So measure her eye. That fits in sort of pretty much tightly in between both those eyes, right? So you're about eye width going across the other side, right? And that's where you start the next eye. So you can roughly fit an eye in there. And then we curve up and over again. And we'll thicken it up. Add an eyelash to the end. And then we'll add some eyelashes on top. Like so. And then we'll do this sort of spike that comes down here. And then that thin eyelid line just coming across here. And then she does have some eyelashes sticking off here. Iris. Circle coming down from the top eyelid. Pupil in the middle. And then iris lines, just these little dots and dashes that come around the eye like that. She could have like some hatching just here on the corners. We can't really see, but eyelid line there. Okay, so her box-like glasses, right? So we've got, like, they start sort of here, right? So we just do a vertical line coming down like so. Same on both sides, right? And then the bit that comes across the nose, sort of join these together. Kind of make it look like a letter H or something. Then we go around the top. And we eventually disappear under her hair, so you don't have to go the whole way, really. We go underneath again. Somewhere there. Do the same thing on this side. Right, and then right, so then there's an inside section, so it's, you know, it's a frame, so it goes around. Like that. Same on this side. Yeah, like so. And we can just see her eyebrow sticking out from up here. So you've got like a line for the nose just going this way. And then her eyebrow kind of just a line just going that way. Maybe it's a little bit thicker down near the front. Same pretty much on this side. Let me just thicken it up here. Okay. So then for her nose, yeah, so she's drawn in a line here, curves down that way, curves down there, and the bridge of her nose on that side like so. And then we can just see a nostril, then another nostril, and then this curves down and up in the middle. It's a different sort of style of nose than the newer series. Right, and then her lip, sort of downturned, kind of serious lip. Like so. Top lip just drawn on in here. Bottom lip there. And then her chin comes around like so. Check proportions of things now. So eyes, say top eyelid to the nostrils is about the same as nostrils to chin. So like here to here, about the same as there to there. And then nostrils to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. So here, here to here, say the middle of the bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. Proportions of the human face. So then, jaw goes up, gradually sort of curves up to about there because it goes underneath her hair. So we do the same on this side. Up like so. And then her hairline, so she's got all this hair that hangs down. So your forehead is about the same size as your nose, roughly, right? So you put like the middle of her hairline there. So that and that are about the same. Okay. And then we'll add some hairlines out there. And then her fringe, right? So she's got like this, yeah, this front part to her hair. So we go down around here. It starts to go across her eyes. And just all these sort of hair spikes coming down. More just sticking down here. And then this one will go all the way up and around to there. And the other one on the other side will go down. Like this. Right, and then this one goes up beside your glasses just here. And then the inside lines come down. Across her head like that. Some texture lines on her hair. Okay. So she has a round part at the back of her head and then like a ponytail sticking up. So this round part will go far out, it's kind of like here. Just this kind of hair tied back in a bun sort of thing. Like that, and then this is all like textures on it going. Like so. And then her hair that's tied up hangs down this way. So it like and so it all hangs down here and this side as well. There's all these sort of spikes that stick up. Just off the top of my page there. Do as many of them as you'd like. Right, like that. It's a real sort of messy kind of right, and that hair hangs down kind of here, eventually goes behind her neck. Right, so her neck just here. Her collar then comes out from behind her neck. Same on this side. And they kind of step down and cross one another. Kind of a V in the middle. You could have like some neck muscles there. And then this is like a shirt collar. And then there's a jacket. Right, so we got like the back of the shirt. And then a jacket. It's out here. And that just goes in behind her head. Same pretty much on this side, right? So comes out around. Like so. To there. Down. So, Right, and then so her shoulder sort of goes off this way. So like female head is like 2.5 heads. It's just not like a full head. So her shoulder, like say like head width would bring me right out to the edge of my page. So we'll go like in a little bit. So like female heads and shoulders. So it's 2.5 heads fit in the space for a female shoulder. Men, it's like 3 heads. Okay, so we go to about there. We won't go right to the edge. Just keep them a little bit narrower. So like we'll go in like there. And she has those buttons and things on top. So like straps and like those buttons. Like so, down that way. Right. That's everything. That's how to draw Hange from Attack on Titan before she gets her eye patch. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.